Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very easy two-step ingredient air dry clay for butter slime. And this is honestly like the easiest thing ever, and it's super fun to make. And yeah, and it's very handy, like if you don't want to go like spend your money on Daiso clay or Model Magic or any type of clay that you would typically use for your butter slime, well, you can just make it at home literally, and it works so great. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Your first ingredients you're going to be needing is cornstarch. Then your last ingredients you're going to be needing is conditioner, and I'm going to be using Pantene. You can use any conditioner. Next, you're going to be adding your desired amount of cornstarch. I'm going to be adding about 2. Then you're going to be adding about 4 pumps of your conditioner, and you're just going to start mixing it. As you mix it, you're going to see it start turning a little bit clumpy, and you want it to look as moistury or as wet as possible. So you're going to start adding more conditioner. I'm adding about like 3, and you're just going to start mixing it, and you can feel it once and then. And once you see it start to add a little bit more moistury, like wet, you're going to be adding a little bit more of your conditioner, or I'm sorry, cornstarch. And yeah, and as you're going to see, it starts getting really clumpy. And then once it starts getting like that, you know it's time to add it with your hands. And right now, I'm just kneading the conditioner and the cornstarch. And yeah, you'll see it start to get clumpy. And you can add as much conditioner now and then when you mix it. And then you'll start seeing it get like a doughy texture. And this is a good thing. And you just want to add more and more and just knead it. And I kneaded it about for 1 minute. And then it'll start getting as good. So this is the final product. And you'll know when it's done when it starts getting doughy, nice, and kind of stretchy and good for slime. So now we're going to test the final product. So what I'm going to be doing is adding it to some white basic fluffy slime, and it is okay to use over-activated slime because you're going to start seeing it like get a little bit sticky, and once it starts getting, I guess, a little bit sticky, then you just add like borax. But with my slime, I only added a little bit, so it wasn't getting as much, but you just need to knead it and let it get sticky, and you'll see the final product. So this is the final product. This is what you're going to start seeing when it gets sticky and you have to activate it. This is how it should turn out. A nice, buttery, and very stretchy, but a little bit sticky kind of slime. But it's really nice and it's perfect. And yeah, so that's how you make air dry clay for butter slime. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please like and subscribe for more videos.